increasing struggles of the development sustainability conflict and the continuing dilemmas of public service delivery together throws up challenges that require great resilience.
IAPA stands tall in the face of current pandemic to ensure improved delivery of public services through its training, research, consultation and dissemination endeavors. Good afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen, I, Dr. Shyamli Singh, Faculty and Coordinator for the Center for Environment and Climate Change.
I, Dr. Surbhi Pandey, Faculty of ICT and E-Governance at IAPA, are here to present the accelerating growth of Indian Institute of Public Administration.
We are here to present the 66th Annual Report pertaining to the year 2019-20. The report presents the activities of the Institute under the following major heads: training, research activities, information management, associational and outreach activities.
The report includes information about the Institute's finances, academic activities like seminars, conferences, lectures, visits and book release. Reports of various committees and centers of IAPA, administrative and personal matters.
IIPA has made substantial progress in all fields and has gone one step forward to maintain its legacy.
Training being the core strength of IIPA is very crucial, with its gaze fixed on growth and development.
IIPA treaded on the path of success. IIPians believe in refining individual competency and productivity through its impeccable capacity building mechanisms.
IAPA provides long-term training for all India and central services, including armed forces, under Advanced Professional Program in Public Administration, that is APPA, which is conducted for the Training Division of the Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India. This is accompanied by various sponsored programs. IAPA have scintillating sponsors ranging from Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Urban Development, the Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, the Department of Consumer Affairs and various other ministries and departments and public sector undertakings. Fee-based programs designed by the Institute are another feather in the cap of IAPA.
The year 2019-20 was an year of marvel. Despite all odds, IIPA scaled new heights with a record of 145 training programs, capacitating 7,191 personnel from different organizations throughout the length and breadth of India.
The preservation and storage of knowledge acquired is paramount, so that it can be accessed by the society at large to retrieve and refer to as and when required. This year, 6 of IAPA's publications were published, which includes 4 editions of Indian Journal of Public Administration (IJPA), 2 editions of Lok Prasashan, 3 editions of Nagar Lok, 4 editions of Documentation in Public Administration, 2 editions of IAPA Digest, and 12 editions of Digital Newsletter. 15 publications from faculty were the cherry on the cake, which were released during various occasions and events of the Institute.
The Evergreen Library of IIPA has always been an active hub of knowledge exchange. It has scaled great heights by increasing its collection to over 2.26 lakh volumes of bound journals. Library also subscribed 114 current periodicals, 21 newspapers and received 135 periodicals on gratis and exchange basis during the year. Library also has rich online access to over 21 periodicals including Harvard Business Review, Economist, Time, Economic and Political Weekly and the like. The in-house library online database has 1.36 lakh records relating to books and reports which can be accessed 24/7 across the globe. Besides this, 1 million e-books can be accessed through Kindle and other devices as well. library has created digital knowledge repository showcasing the research output and published resources of the institute.
So far, 3229 documents have been uploaded in the repository. The library services were extended to 9718 users comprising the institute's faculty, IAPA members, participants to various training programs. IAPA's library have certain value-added services such as article alert, weekly news alert, current contents to keep its reader informed. The library is an active member of the Digital Library Network (DELNET) and has been adjudged as the best library and awarded Certificate of Appreciation by the DELNET out of 6,000 libraries.
In the 65th annual meeting of the General Body, late Shri T.N. Chaturvedi ji reflected on the rapid progress made by the institution and acknowledged the hard work of faculty and staff over the years. The meeting was attended by 166 members. 63rd Members Annual Conference of the Institute was held in IIPA premises with the theme of Good Governance and United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Dr. C. Sheila Reddy presented the theme paper. 5 meetings of the Executive Council were held during the year. The membership comprising annual, life, associate, student, and corporate members stands at 10,894 for the year 2019-20.
The awards and accolades such as Shri T.N. Chaturvedi Award for the best article in the Indian Journal of Public Administration for the year 2018 and an award for excellence in public services were bestowed upon the proud winners. 8 eminent personalities ranging from the Principal Secretary, former Chief Secretaries, former DGP, former Professor of IAPA, Vice Chancellor of Punjab University were bestowed the Paul H. Appleby Award by the Honorable Vice President of India, President of IAPA Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, for their distinguished services in the field of public administration.
We, with utmost pride, announce that regional and local branches of IIPA have been moving hand in hand with us. The total number of regional and local branches of the Institute stands at 24 and 43 respectively. The activities of the branches have been a regular feature in the monthly IIPA newsletters.
Research is important, but to sow is sowing those seed of ideas to create momentum to achieve credibility. IIPA has enthusiastically generated dialogue through its outreach activities such as case study programs and essay competition on every contemporary issues. 27 entries in both English and Hindi language were received. The participants were motivated through awards and certificates.
IIPA hosted various workshops, seminars, conferences, lectures, and consultations on different dimensions. 5th Dr. Rakesh Huja Memorial Lecture was held to commemorate Dr. Huja. 6th Professor S. Saroja Memorial Lecture was held in reverence of Professor Saroja, an ex-faculty at IIPA.
11th Dr. Ambedkar Memorial Lecture was also featured in reverence of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. IAPA was delighted by the auspicious presence of delegation from Mongolia and Thailand this year.
IIPA houses 7 centers, viz. Center for Urban Studies, Center for Consumer Studies, Center for Climate Change, Environment and Drought Administration, Center for Governance of Economic Growth and Management Studies, Center for Good Governance, Center for E-Governance, Center for Tribal Research and Exploration.
During the year 2019-20, Institute completed 43 research studies and there are 23 ongoing research projects. During the year 2019-20, the Institute's income was rupees 42.86 crore as against the expenditure of rupees 43.22 crores. The institute had received grant in ad, salary, general and capital of rupees 18 crore from the Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India. The total income from internal resources during the year was rupees 24.86 crore as against rupees 21.33 crore in the previous year.
The receipt of rupees 24.86 crore mainly comprised training fee that factors rupees 20.79 crore. Net income from research assignments is to the tune of rupees 1.93 crore. User charges rupees 1.33 crore. Sale of publication figures out to be rupees 3.46 lakh. The other major items of expenditure were campus maintenance of rupees 2.93 crore, administrative and miscellaneous expenses of rupees 56.67 lakh, and training programs amounting to rupees 19.48 crore.
The institute's pay and allowances was rupees 16.22 crores including pension. The institute also received a grant in ad capital of rupees 350 lakhs from the government for implementation of various activities of capital nature, against which total expenditure of rupees 350 lakhs was incurred.
IIPA expresses its deepest gratitude to the Honorable Vice President of India and President IIPA Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji for his sustained support and guidance.
Sincere gratitude is due to late Shri T.N. Chaturvedi sir, former chairman of the institute, for his continuing support in conducting the various academic activities till the last breath of his life.
Our sincere thanks are particularly due to Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Union Minister of State for Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India, and Chairman IIPA, and all officers of the ministry, especially the ex-Secretary DOPT Dr. C. Chandramouli, the Additional Secretary DOPT Shri K. Srinivas, Additional Secretary Training Ms. Rashmi Chaudhary, and the Deputy Secretary Training DOPT Shri A. N. Narayanan for their sustained support for the institute.
Beside this, IIPA is thankful to all its sponsoring ministries, departments and international organizations for their sustained interest in the IIPA's activities. With this, we sign off.
Please do take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Jai Hind.